Hello everyone and welcome back. A simple wedding veil doesn't have to look plain. In fact, the right styling, it can create one of the most elegant and luxurious bridal looks. So here are a few ways to just elevate a simple veil.
Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time.
First, you need to choose high quality fabric. Soft to layer with a beautiful drape instantly looks more refined than stiff or bulky materials. The way the veil flows can make a big difference in its overall appearance. And next, you can pair it with the right dress. A simple veil looks especially stunning with gowns that feature intricate lace, elegant beadwork, or luxurious satin. Instead of competing with the dress, the veil lets those beautiful details take center stage. Don't overlook your hairstyle. A polished low band, soft waves, or a sleek chignon creates a sophisticated foundation for your veil and just gives you, your entire bridal look a more elegant finish. And honestly, the way you accessorize also matters. A delicate hair comb, pearl pins, or a classic tiara just adds the right amount of sparkle without taking the attention away from the veil. And finally, choose the right length. A chapel length or a cathedral length veil can make even the simplest design feel dramatic and luxurious, especially during your walk down the aisle in your wedding photos. And luxury isn't always about extra embellishments, it's about balance, quality, and thoughtful styling. A simple, paired veil with the right dress, hairstyle, and accessories can just create a timeless bridal look that you'll treasure forever. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.
Find my way. could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end.